Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn law on your own. First, pinpoint a specific legal area that truly fascinates you, like contract law or criminal justice. Then, immerse yourself in foundational legal concepts and terminology. There are many excellent free online resources and open courseware platforms available to help you build a strong base. This initial focus will make your self-study much more effective and enjoyable. To deepen your understanding, make reading case briefs and legal textbooks a regular habit. Staying informed about current legal news and events is also crucial, as it shows how law applies in real-world situations. Additionally, engaging with online legal forums can provide valuable insights and different perspectives from a community of learners and professionals. These tools are vital for comprehensive self-education. Now it's time to apply what you've learned. Practice legal analysis by working through hypothetical scenarios, which helps develop critical thinking skills. Try outlining legal arguments for various cases to solidify your understanding of legal reasoning. For a more interactive experience, consider participating in mock trials or debates. These activities offer practical application and boost your confidence. For continuous growth, consider seeking mentorship from experienced legal professionals. Their guidance can be invaluable. Always review legal ethics and professional responsibility to ensure a strong moral compass in your studies. And for those who love to learn on the go, discover new ways to read and learn anywhere. Be sure to check the description for a link to a great reading device and other deals to support your journey.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.